Hello and welcome to today's video where we're going to be discussing the power of the 528 Hz frequency for DNA repair. In recent years, this frequency has gained attention for its potential to repair and rejuvenate cells, leading to a range of physical and emotional health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the science behind 528 Hz and how you can use it to promote optimal health. What is the 528 Hz frequency? 528 Hz is a sound frequency that is said to have the ability to repair DNA. It's often referred to as the miracle tone or the love frequency because of its powerful effects on the body and mind. The 528 Hz frequency is in the range of microtonal music and has been used in various forms of music therapy for its therapeutic properties. How does 528 Hz repair DNA? According to some studies, the 528 Hz frequency has the ability to stimulate the repair of damaged DNA. It's believed that this frequency creates a resonance in the body that promotes healing and rejuvenation. When cells are exposed to this frequency, it's thought that it helps to balance and harmonize the DNA, leading to improved overall health and well-being. Other benefits of 528 Hz. In addition to its potential for DNA repair, 528 Hz has been shown to have a range of other benefits for the body and mind. Some people report feeling more relaxed, calm, and centered after listening to 528 Hz frequency music. Others have reported improved sleep, reduced anxiety, and a sense of inner peace. Additionally, 528 Hz is thought to enhance creativity, intuition, and spiritual connection. How to use 528 Hz? There are several ways to use the 528 Hz frequency to promote health and well-being. One of the most popular methods is by listening to music that has been specifically recorded in this frequency. You can find 528 Hz music on various platforms, including YouTube and Spotify. Another way to use 528 Hz is through sound therapy, which involves listening to this frequency through headphones or speakers. In conclusion, the 528 Hz frequency has the potential to promote DNA repair and overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to reduce stress and anxiety, improve your sleep, or enhance your spiritual connection, 528 Hz may be a helpful tool to add to your self-care routine. As always, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy living tips and tricks.